Hello friends, this is Momita and you are watching Moki Life with Smile. I came up with a new small story to share with you. So before that, a very good evening to all of you. I hope you all are fit and fine, me also great too. So today I want to share with you a small story. The story name is Love Between Husband and Wife. Love between husband and wife. There is a couple living together. They had a love marriage. Before marriage, they used to spend time together. They used to go out together. They used to eat out together. They had a 3 years relationship. They used to spend a lot of time together. They had good memories before marriage. So one day they decided to got married, and their parents was also agreed for their marriage because they are behaving like they are made for each other. They got married after 3 years relationship. After 3 years of relationship, they got married. So after marriage, like 1 month later, what happened? They started arguing with each other. So don't have like for no reason they were starting. They were like arguing each other, and after like day by day, when they are passing, they started like arguing together. They started fighting with each other. So they every day they are making noises. So because of their arguments, they even though they are fighting together, so because of their arguments, because of their violence nature, like neighbors are getting angry, and they are complaining that you got married and you had a love married. You guys got like had a love marriage, then why you are fighting? What is your problem? Because of your like noise, we are not able to live nicely. So if you want to stay here, you have to live nicely. No argument, no fighting here, because we are living with our family. So we have a children. Our children is getting bad manners from you. But so that couple replied that we are arguing at our home. So what is your problem? We are arguing at our home. We can do anything at our home. We are not arguing in your home. So please keep quiet and leave from this place. We are not here to listen to you. So but then they did not stop their arguments. Day by day their arguments were getting and getting like very high. They are fighting. So their neighbors was like their neighbors was getting very angry. So one day their neighbors arrange a meeting, and they said that we are not able to leave because of that couple, so we should take a decision. So what they did, and they informed the police, and the police came to that couple's house, and police said that if you are arguing, then you have to leave your home as soon as possible. Because of your violence natures, neighbors are complaining, so you are not allowed to fight and argue. You are not allowed to fight each other. You are not allowed to make noise here. So after a long argument with police, they realized that because of them, the society was getting violence, and like students and like children are yeah, they are learning bad deeds, they are learning bad things. So after that they realized. So they decided to stop their argument, and they started living together. They have started arguing with each other, and after that they are living together. So in this story I want to say that please adjust with your couples or your like with your please adjust with your partners or your loved ones or your family members. Argument is not a solution, or like making noise is not a it's not your work, or it's not it's not your like work. Arguments and like violence, creating violence, this is very bad thing. Try to adjust with your partner and live happily, nicely, and always keep smiling. So this was the small story, and so I hope you guys like this story. If you like this story, then do subscribe my channel. I will come with new interesting stories. If you're watching from YouTube, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Moki Life with Smile. And if you're watching from Facebook, then please follow me, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. So bye for now. See you in the next video with new story. So bye.